Hi everybody, I'm Sean O'Kane with Chip Estimate TV, where we bring you the latest trends and information in IP and semiconductor design, as well as industry events. The IP track at DAC this year brings together the users and the creators of IP to discuss both the benefits and the challenges of using IP to accelerate the development of new electronic devices, as well as improving the quality of the devices. This track provides educational and networking benefits for IP core designers, user and IP ecosystem providers across the globe. ChipEstimate.com is the sponsor of this year's IP track. So today I'm joined with Mac McNamara, the DAC's IP track chair, and Chris Rowan, CTO of IP at Cadence Design Systems, to discuss the IP track program at DAC. So thank you very much for joining us today, guys.
Thanks. It's great to be here.
Yep.
All right, so Mac, first to start off, the program is now live. Registration is now open, from when we last talked. Can you tell us a little bit about the IP track, what it consists of this year?
Okay. IP track is Monday and Tuesday. We have 5 sessions spread over those days. And each session starts with 4 papers and then a panel session where we get industry experts to react to the papers from the designers, the creators of the various focus areas of IP at DAC this year. And those focus areas are low power, IP implementation, the integration of IP, the verification of the IP, and then the management of the overall IP portfolio that we increasingly are creating at our companies.
So everything you ever wanted to know about IP, what we're afraid to ask,
would be right here.
It's happening right there.
You got it.
And Chris, you're presenting a paper at the IP track.
That's right.
Okay.
I'm doing a paper on design in the eye of the hurricane, design of optimal vision systems. Vision systems are a very hot area right now for automotive, for consumer, for mobile, for IoT. And this paper drills down in considerable detail into what is the computational problem, what are the issues in the selection and design of instruction set architectures, and how does it apply in some of the really important computational problems like convolutional neural networks. So it should be an interesting paper, I hope, but it's among really a who's who of presenters on the sources of IP, the design of IP, the enablers of IP, and the users of IP. So it really should be quite an interesting set of sessions about all the issues around IP.
Yeah, and Mac, this is just kind of puts a bow on everything that you're
we're really trying to make DAC be the place for the creators, the users, the ecosystem of IP to get together and share experiences with one another, learn from the experts in their related fields, and basically figure out how to put it all together so the SOCs of the future can take advantage of the IPs that companies are creating, and we can get to market more quickly with chips that work and do what we want.
Perfect, and well said. So I just want to tell everyone to register today at DAC.com and plan to attend the IP tracks. And we'll see you there at DAC, June 7th through the 11th at Moscone Center in San Francisco. So for Mac McNamara and Chris Rowan, my name is Sean O'Kane. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time on Chip Estimate TV.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
All right.